Welcome back to Drive Diary About Vehicles. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán, a supercar that blends breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and adrenaline-pumping performance. The Huracán has long been an icon of Italian engineering, and the 2025 model takes its legacy to a whole new level. Let's explore what makes this beast an unstoppable force on the road. At the front, the Huracán 2025 commands attention with its aggressive yet aerodynamic design. The signature Y-shaped LED headlights, inspired by Lamborghini's racing DNA, slice through the darkness with precision. The redesigned front bumper features larger air intakes, optimizing airflow and cooling for enhanced performance. The sculpted hood with sharp creases adds to the car's dominant road presence, while the low, wide stance ensures maximum stability at high speeds. Moving to the side profile, the Huracán's dynamic silhouette showcases its exotic supercar proportions. The lightweight carbon fiber body not only reduces weight, but also enhances aerodynamics for an even more thrilling driving experience. The massive 20-inch forged alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance Pirelli tires, provide exceptional grip, whether on the track or the open road. The side air intakes channel air efficiently to the mid-mounted engine, ensuring optimal performance, while the signature upward-opening scissor doors give the Huracán its unmistakable Lamborghini identity. At the rear, the Huracán 2025 continues to impress with its aggressive styling and advanced aerodynamics. The full-width LED taillight bar gives it a futuristic look, while the massive rear diffuser and active aero wing maximize downforce. The centrally positioned dual titanium exhausts deliver an intoxicating roar, making it clear that this machine is built for speed. The lightweight carbon fiber engine cover provides a glimpse of the powerhouse beneath, reminding everyone that the Huracán is engineered for pure performance. Step inside, and you're immediately immersed in a world of luxury and technology. The cockpit is designed with a driver-focused layout, featuring premium Alcantara and carbon fiber finishes throughout. The fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the advanced touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration. The fighter jet-inspired start-stop button, placed beneath a red flip cover, adds to the dramatic experience of starting the beast. The racing bucket seats, finished in high-quality leather and Alcantara, provide maximum support and comfort, making every drive feel like a track day. Under the hood, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán is powered by a high-revving 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, producing an exhilarating 650 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. Paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, this supercar launches from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds, delivering an electrifying performance. The advanced all-wheel drive system and rear-wheel steering ensure razor-sharp handling, providing maximum control on both tight corners and high-speed straights. The Huracán also features multiple driving modes, including Strada, Sport, and Corsa, allowing drivers to customize their experience based on road conditions and personal preferences. On the safety front, Lamborghini has equipped the Huracán 2025 with the latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. The advanced carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, ensuring maximum safety even at extreme speeds. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán, a supercar that delivers heart-pounding performance, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and luxurious comfort in one breathtaking package. If you're a fan of speed, precision, and unmatched Italian craftsmanship, the Huracán 2025 is the ultimate dream machine. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Drive Diary About Vehicles for more exclusive automotive content. See you in the next ride.